In the bustling world of rideshare services, the safety of drivers glides into the spotlight. As convenience intersects with risk, it's crucial for those behind the wheel to navigate the road of precaution with as much care as they do the streets of the city. The shroud of night brings unique challenges for rideshare drivers. To combat the risks, vigilance is key. Regular breaks ward off the specter of drowsy driving, while an updated GPS ensures a smooth journey on familiar paths. These simple habits can be lifesavers, illuminating the road to safety for all. Choosing the right chariot is more than comfort. It's about safety. A vehicle equipped with collision warnings and automatic emergency brakes is a shield on wheels. But the true power lies in knowledge. Understanding and maintaining these features ensures they serve as a vigilant co-pilot on every trip. Encounters with difficult passengers are the storms rideshare drivers must weather. Calm and professionalism are the anchors in these turbulent moments. A dashcam serves as a silent guardian, while a reliable communication device is a lifeline to the shore of safety, ready to signal for help when needed. Proactivity is the compass that steers away from danger. Insurance that covers the unique road of rideshare driving is a safety net worth investing in. Equipping oneself with emergency tools and knowledge through safety training can turn a driver into a safety champion, ensuring peace of mind for every journey embarked upon. In the end, the road to improved safety is paved with the strategies discussed. For rideshare drivers, adopting these measures isn't just a choice. It's a commitment to a safer tomorrow for everyone on the road.